Good morning. By now, we all know that Amit Shah ji, the Home Minister of India, has been tested coronavirus positive, and he was admitted at Vedanta Hospital in Gurgaon. And according to news report, he is doing good. This we all know because it spread like a fire yesterday. Even we also came to know yesterday that Yedurappa ji, the Chief Minister of Karnataka, was also positive, and he is in a self quarantine. And some BJP Bharatiya Janata Party leader also in Uttar Pradesh was found corona positive, and unfortunately one member of Bharatiya Janata Party from Uttar Pradesh expired due to coronavirus infection. So this thing is known to all, and at the same time we also know that Amit Shah ji attended the one cabinet meeting last Wednesday at Prime Minister residence. But as per the reports, that all protocol was maintained during this cabinet meeting. Temperature was checked, and Arogya Setu app was checked, mask was there. So that was there in last Wednesday. Amit Shah ji was had a meeting with Narendra Modi ji, but all protocol was mentioned. Now, a national level political party, Congress, is linking this Amit Shah ji's coronavirus infection, Yedurappa ji's coronavirus positive, then some of the Bharatiya Janata Party members got coronavirus infection. They are linking, Congress party is linking this as a with the Ram Janmabhoomi Bhumi Pujan. They are raising the question, or they are raising the Muhurat of Ram Janmabhoomi Bhumi Pujan. Congress party is raising the question. Now, the Congress, there are some people who were against LK Advani ji. We know our former Deputy Prime Minister of India. We know some people who were hardcore against Advani ji, that those people are concerned about Advani ji is not going to Ayodhya. As per the reports, it says that Advani ji has not received any invitation, but the trust is saying that Advani ji will watch the Bhumi Pujan ceremony through video conferencing, because Advani ji is 90 plus, and due to this pandemic they don't want to take that risk. So the people who were have never said good words against Advani ji, they also started speaking that why Advani ji has been ignored, why Advani ji was not given an invitation, and so. Now this Congress party is trying to politicize the entire Ram Janmabhoomi Bhumi Pujan through indirectly they are provoking. And I have seen on social platform, the Congress party supporter is tweeting like in a manner like Ram is angry. Ram is very angry. Some is saying some Congress party leader is saying Ashubh Muhurat का लक्षण शुरू हो गया, मीन्स द बैड मुहूर्त का लक्षण शुरू हो गया, बिकॉज the Amit Shah got coronavirus infection, and other BJP leader also got coronavirus infection. And we know Digvijay ji is always raising question about the Muhurat, and the Muhurat means the timing of the Bhumi Pujan. And also some people, some Congress member is saying that it is the AIMS which helping Amit Shah ji, because he was admitted to Amit Shah ji was admitted to in a private hospital, but AIMS doctor rushed to that hospital. So one Congress man was saying that Ramdev will also AIMS ही काम में आया है. Means they were indirectly telling that Amit Shah ji, see, you talk so much about Nehru ji, our first Prime Minister of India, but he has, because of him, AIMS was there, and because of him, your life is saved. And another Congress leader was saying that you are opening a Ram Mandir, but you should we should make more hospitals because hospitals will save life. Now the question is again the frustrated Congress party why they are saying it is seen. It is good to say that you must open hospitals rather than Ram Janmabhoomi Ram Mandir. See, there are lots of hospitals and everywhere, and entire India is fighting because of hospitals and medical staffs and everything. That's why the number is not so high compared to what we have seen in a global platform. Ram Janmabhoomi or Ram Mandir is a emotional and a faith, and it will happen. It will happen because already Supreme Court has given order. Now, if somebody say don't do Bhumi Pujan in this moment because of the pandemic, then when they will do? The pandemic is going to stay. We don't know how long the pandemic is going to stay. It can stay for 5 years, 10 years. And if the court has given order, and they will only the people, the trustee will only be very happy with the documents in their hand. They will not do any physical things on for Ram Mandir construction. Now, if you see, this coronavirus came into picture properly from March 25th or something like that. So coronavirus came from the March. That means from the March everything is bad muhurat started around, not only in India and around the world. Then Digvijay Singh ji was telling that it about questioning, he is raising question about muhurat. Then why he took the oath of Rajya Sabha member? He should not have taken the oath of Rajya Sabha member, because the bad muhurat started from March itself. But no. Just because it's a Ram Mandir and BJP is there and Narendra Modi ji is invited for Bhumi Pujan, that is the reason they are raising question on the Muhurat, on LK Advani ji's visit. One should understand, people, Bharatiya Janata Party members are getting infected of coronavirus. Why? Because they are working on the field. Amit Shah, we have seen how Amit Shah ji made the number of corona infection patient in Delhi down. He was visiting patient, he was visiting hospitals, he was visiting. So the Bharatiya Janata Party people are working on the ground. They are with the people during the time of coronavirus in India. It's not like Congress party sitting in the home and making 2 to 3 minutes video and uploading on Twitter and sharing, and all the people are saying wah wah wah, kya bola, kya baat. Not like Congress party. The Bharatiya Janata Party is, members are working on field day and night to see what is going on, what is the pandemic situation, whether doctor beds are near or not. That's why ultimately it can happen. And by the way, coronavirus is just a disease and infection. It can happen to anybody. Then why the Congress party is linking this to the Bhumi Pujan, which will happen on 5th August? Politicizing the matter only suggests that Congress is saying their minority vote bank, no, we are with you, we are not with Ram Mandir, and don't forget us to vote in the upcoming elections. But the way Congress party and their members are politicizing the matter of Bhumi Pujan and linking infection of Amit Shah ji or the other member of BJP with the Muhurat, Ram Janmabhoomi Muhurat, it only suggests that they are pleasing the minority vote. But the way they are approaching, the way their leaders are approaching the minority satisfaction, or they are trying to be in a good book in the minority, in the books of minority, it's gradually what is happening. They are making themselves the difference between other religion or other people of India and Congress party. The gap has widened because Ayodhya Bhumi Pujan, they are protesting. They are sending people to court to have a stay on Ayodhya, and the people are reacting. They are linking Amit Shah ji's health with the Bhumi Pujan. So these are all suggest that they, just to please the minority vote bank, they are going away from the other people or the other Indians. They should understand. They should understand that we are also there. There are some people who are for Ram Janmabhoomi Bhumi Pujan, but just to please the minority vote bank, Congress party is coming up with this kind of drama, this kind of politicizing the matter of Ram Muhurat, and it's utter nonsense, because coronavirus infection can happen to anybody, any point of time. So please don't politicize the matter of Ram Janmabhoomi Bhumi Pujan, which will happen on 5th August 2020. If you like my video, kindly subscribe my channel and don't forget to like, comment and share. Thank you very much.